Hi everyone, my name is Fabricio, and today I want to share with you my thoughts and conclusion about a very interesting topic in microeconomics, the factors of production. We don't always think about it, but everything we buy, use, or enjoy every day exists thanks to these factors. They are resources that allow us to produce goods and services, basically the building blocks of any economy. There are four main factors: labor, capital, land, and entrepreneurship. Each one is important and together they help business grow, people work, and economies develop. Let's start with the first one, land. When economists say land, we don't just mean soil or fields. They are talking about all the natural resources that come from nature. Things like water, sunlight, trees, oil, and minerals. For example, a farmer needs land to grow crops, a company needs a minerals to make phones, and we all depend on clear air and where to live. Without these resources, there will be no production at all. To me, this reminds us for how important it is to take care of the environment, because it provides everything we need to create products and live comfortably. If we use our natural resources wisely, we can make sure that future generations will also have what they need. The second factor is labor. Labor means the human effort, both physical and mental, that goes into making something. It is work people do every day. It could be a construction worker building houses, a teacher helps students to learn, or even someone design clothes or develop apps. Everything contributes in some way. Our personal team labor is one of the most valued factors because it represents people, skills, creativity, and dedication. Without human effort, ideas wouldn't turn into reality. And in today's world, education and training make labor ever more productive. The more people earn, the more they can contribute to society and the economy. Now, let's move to capital. When we hear the word capital, many people think only about money. But in economics, it means more than that. Capital includes all tools, machines, buildings, and technology that help us produce goods and services more efficiently. For example, computers in an office, ovens in a bakery, or trucks that deliver products to stores. These things make production faster and more effective. But capital doesn't just appear by magic. It requires investing and planning. People and companies need to save money, buy equipment, and maintain it. In a way, capital represents progress because it allows to work smarter, not just harder. Finally, we have entrepreneurship. The factors bring everything together. Entrepreneurs are the people who take risks, make decisions, and organize the other three factors, land, labor, and capital, to create something new. They are inventors, who they are start with new business, design new products, or improve the way things are done. For example, someone who opens a small restaurant, creates a new phone app, or start an eco-friendly brand. They are entrepreneurs. They have to be creative and brave because not every idea succeeds, but their effort drives the economy forward. With entrepreneurship, the other factors would be used efficiently and there would be no innovation or growth. In conclusion, the four factors of production are like the parts of machine. Each one has a special role, but they only work well when they come together. Without land, there are no natural resources. Without labor, there is no human effort. Without capital, production is slow and limited. And without entrepreneurship, there is no direction or motivation to make this happen. When I think about these, factors are not just part of economics, they are part of everyday life. Everything we see a new product, a building, or a small business. We're seeing all four factors work together, understanding they help us appreciate how much work and creativity goes into everything around us. It also reminds us to use our resources wisely, respect the environment, and support innovation, because that's what keeps our world moving forward.